Hey guys, Babatunde Motao here. Oraimo has just released the silver grey edition of the OSW 16 smartwatch. As if Oraimo always listens to us, I'm not sure, but I have one here. So lucky to have one here. So for your information, this is not a review unit as I bought this myself. So I'll be doing the unboxing video, and one more thing is that Oraimo also announced that they are going to release the OSW 16 straps. It will be coming in black, blue, pink and some other colors with some kind of leather texture to hit, so we have more choices to choose from. In this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the Oraimo OSW 16 silver edition, and let's see how it looks like. So here with me I have the silver grey edition. As you can see, it's smaller in pack this time, and from the spec I can see that everything looks the same thing, no much differences, just the color. So let's just keep this aside and open this up. Wow, this looks beautiful. Can you see that? It looks beautiful. Okay, you'll be getting the smartwatch itself. This is silver body and a gray strap. It comes with a charger, that is a 2-pin mount charger. And to the left of it you're going to find the manual. Okay, so that is pretty much it in the box, nothing more. Let's pack these things aside. Yes, I'm super excited about this Oraimo watch because I have the black one already, which is my favorite, but having another color will mix up things for good, you know. Though it is same functionality with the black variant, so not much of difference, same price and same design and everything. My first impression about this Oraimo watch, the silver edition, is it's a nice attractive color combo. The silver makes it shine in the sun, so people will notice this on your wrist, most especially if you have a dark skin. It looks super clean and good. With just few hours spent with this silver edition, I'm having a second thought already. To further complement this Oraimo watch, I think a black strap on this silver body will make a whole lot of sense. What do you think? I like the silver body with the grey strap as it fits many outfits, so it won't be selecting clothing for you, you know. What do you think about this color? Let me know in the comment section below, please. In the coming weeks, I'll be getting these straps, the OSW 16 straps, and possibly we'll be doing some giveaway. In order to participate in the upcoming giveaway, all you have to do is just to subscribe. So if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can be first person to know when we drop a new video. So I remember Babatunde Motao, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. God bless you. Peace.